You can see the best little website in Texas at www.1friendlyford.com. Get bottom line pricing from our internet department. Call us 281-328-9555. Now, check this out.
Friendly Ford knows you have a purpose for your vehicle. And imagine driving this frozen white 2010 Ford Transit Connect Wagon XLT. It's equipped with a 4-cylinder engine. Enjoy this utility van with features like cruise control, painted bumpers, split bench seats, a vinyl floor, power steering, power door locks and windows, and much more. Get where you need to go and enjoy the drive in this 2010 Transit Connect Wagon XLT. See us at Friendly Ford today.
Friendly Ford of Crosby is located at 2425 Highway 90 in Crosby, Texas. Browse through our complete virtual showroom at www.1friendlyford.com. Call our internet department 281-328-9555. Set an appointment, or simply come on down to take a test drive. Whatever you choose, we have a vehicle that's right for you at Friendly Ford.